On the nose, he's locking us. Fight's on. 490, almost 500 now. Knots. 12 o'clock. Yep, 220 now. $290, sorry, 280. 12 o'clock high. $12 o'clock high. 7 o'clock low. He's coming right. $12 o'clock. And that's 330. 12 o'clock. 380 knots. Spike, 10 o'clock. On at 6. Go get him. He's dead ahead, man. He's on our 12. Ain't gonna get better than that. Right on this 6. Burn that sucker. Speed 410. Nice, 370. Passing 410. He's right in front of us. Passing 450. He's right in front of us. $360, no, 370. 310. 260 knots. Good, we're 340. And that's 260. Bandit is down.
Still flying. He's not down and out. He's down and out.
200. 12 o'clock high. Slow at 140. Great balls of fire. Get ready. Nifty at 450. Oh baby 480. 1 o'clock. 4 o'clock high. We're at 390. 6 o'clock low. 3 o'clock. Needle showing 350. 270 knots. 6 o'clock low. 2 o'clock low. 8 o'clock. He's coming left. Alright, so it's 360. Spike. 6 o'clock. Airspeed 490. 8 o'clock. He's on 6. He's gonna fire. Passing through 530. 430 now. 330 knots. You got this. Shoot him. Speed 360. Looking good. Keep it coming. 360. Bandit is going down.